keep going. Keep coughing in my bubble. I'm not gonna punch you in the face. Achoo! Who raised you? I'm about to be a parent and nag you with facts and a smack to the face. Are you sick? No, now I'm paranoid. Am I sick now? Now fuck you. Now I'm gonna be thinking about this all day. Achoo! Ow. Bitch, that was a reflex. You lucky you're alive right now. 10 feet, 10 feet. You're in my square. Back. I don't play that. I am a bull. Run that back, Turbo. What's so funny? It's funny how all my personalities are about to jump you and end your life. See, I hate it out here. I'm going back to my quarantine, aka my room. Someone knock on my door when this pandemic is over. Bless me. No, it's bless you. Why would I bless you? You mad because it's my life first and your life maybe? Ain't no talking. I'm spraying Lysol, sanitizer, Perel, you name it. And I'm judging anybody who looks sick. Wow, that's crazy. What? I can't decide if I want to fight you calmly or kill you calmly. Bless you. Thank you. It's really curse you. I'm gonna be petty and call the CDC and get this motherfucker quarantined. And if you don't get your sicky bitchy bitch ass away from me, it's allergies. Well, my fists aren't allergic to your face. Move.